Okay, in previous video we have talked about this views. I did not tell all the things. Like here in the table of content, if you see, you have create API view, list API view, and all the generic views. One more and important thing we can see here, like list create API view, retrieve update API view, and retrieve destroy API view. So what does it do? Well, list create API view. When I click here, we see that list create API view means the extension of generic API view plus list model mixin and create model mixin. We have all of them, and we have the get method and post method. How we can use this? For example, let's use this here instead of, well, when I save this and let's see, there is no error. Okay, let's refresh. What happens? We have something. Okay, list API view. Okay, list create API view. We had list create API view. Okay, see, title, slug, content, this status and all that are provided for us to create something. Okay, because the name was as list create API view, means it will list, it will create. Well, obviously the API view is known from its name. Okay, how we can create? Let's have third, the content will be third, and the publish time will be, like, we have to take it today. So one thing I must do. Okay, status will be, well, marked as well. So let's post it. When I post, you can see the third article as well here. So the third article, the title is third, slug, content, and everything is mentioned here. Now, for example, if I have this, like, when I enter, you can see 3 articles. Okay, article 1, 2, and 3. So we can have the update as well, and destroy and update destroy. So everything is here, because for example, if we say that retrieve update API view means generic API plus retrieve model plus update model view. So we have get, put, and patch, all 3 methods here. And again, in destroy, we have the delete method as well added here. So everything is here. We have the customizable generic views as well, customizing. So all the, well, the some third-party packages also we have here. For now, I think it's enough. In the next video, we will talk about another concept.